Welcome to new tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about 6 different commands. Those are small but important commands like sketch mirror, dynamic sketch mirror, copy, move, rotate and scale. So for that we are going in sketch environment. So first I am going to explain mirror command, sketch mirror command. So you can access mirror command from command manager, or you can access it from going in tools drop down menu, go to sketch tool and you can find mirror command over here as well. For doing mirror, I just draw one entity. Let's say I want to mirror this entity, and for mirror this entity I need some medium from where I can mirror this entity. So I am drawing simple center line. Make sure it is vertical. Go to mirror command, simply select the entity that we have to mirror, and from where we have to mirror from this center line. You can see the in preview our entity is mirrored. So if right now if I uncheck this box, then our previous entity will remove, and if I check this box, then both the entity will remain. For now I check this box. Okay, simply delete, make one center line over here, and I am going to show another important command, that is dynamic mirror. You cannot find dynamic mirror in your command manager. You have to go in tools, then sketch tools, and you can find dynamic mirror here. When you select that command, it's showing one message: please select the sketch line or linear edge of model from where you want mirror. Let's select this center line, and you can see this type of symbol. That means we are in dynamic mirror mode. So whatever the sketch we are going to make at one side, other side it create automatically. Let's see in display area, whatever sketch we are making here is automatically being mirrored over here. Circle or whatever the relation I am giving. Let's say I want this circle and this line tangent. Then they are also following the relation as well. Simply Ctrl Z or undo everything. Okay. Now I'm going to show other commands. So first one is move entity. So for moving entity, when you select that option, one property manager on left side coming, and here they are first asking for which entity you want to move. For that, I selecting this arc, and in parameters it says from where, like we have to select in from two option a point, and or you can select simply x and y coordinate of this center point. I stays on from two option and simply select this center point and place it to origin. You can see our entity is moved. So another option is copy entity. This option is almost same like move entities, but here our entity is copied. Like we can make multiple entity from single entity. First select this arc and let's do this time x and y. I put 5 centimeter, or let's say 25 centimeter and 30 centimeter, and press OK. So you can see our entity is copied to new coordinates, and our previous entity is also remain in display area. So for now I just delete this entity. Next option is scale entities. So let's say I want to scale this circle, and from where you want to scale, I want to scale from center. And if I check copy, then both the entity will remain, and if I uncheck it, one entity, our original entity, will delete it or will removed. So for now I uncheck it and simply press OK. So you can see our circle is scaled. Delete this circle, and for next option we draw corner rectangle. Okay. And next option is rotate. So if you want to rotate this rectangle, this already all the lines, all the edges of rectangle is selected, and we have to select the point where we want our center of rotation. So I'm selecting middle point, and if I change any degree, then our rectangle will going to rotate. You can see in preview, or you can simply rotate from this, dragging this arrow here. I simply press 30 degree. So in this property manager you can see we have another option as well, like keep the relation. I show you shortly like how to use this, what's the difference if I check or uncheck this relation. For now I'm pressing OK. You can see our rectangle is rotated. Okay, Control Z for undo the things. Just draw on the circle over here. Press OK. Select that circle and this edge and make them tangent. Now in hide and show icon, I simply press display the relation option, and you can see all the relation in this sketch. So now if I'm going to apply rotate command, and if I simply check this keep the relation option, select all the edges, select the center of rotation, okay, and if I'm going to rotate circle, rectangle, it will rotate, but with that our circle is also going to change its position because we have checked our keep relation option. So Control Z for everything, simply cancel, and I'm going to fix this circle. Now we can see the changes. So we go to rotate. Please, for that I check this keep relation option. For now, simply select rectangle and select center of rotation. And now if I'm going to rotate my rectangle, it is going to rotate, but it forced to keep the relation with that fixed circle. So the dimension and the length and width of our rectangle is going to change because of this option is forcing this rectangle to keep the relation of tangency to this circle. If I uncheck it, it remains to its original size. If I uncheck it, it's resize again. So it's very important if you check or uncheck the relation option while rotating, moving, or copy the entities. For now, I uncheck the option and press OK. Thank you and have a nice day.